Fix in 5. Got a P0245? Let's break it down, what it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. You can keep driving for now. For now is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Boost pressure higher than target. Verify with turbo boost gauge or OBD2 live PID, boost_actual versus boost_target. Engine enters limp mode. Reduced power, RPM limit to 500. Verify with test drive, note power reduction under acceleration. Now the most likely causes. Wastegate solenoid coil open or shorted solenoid resistance, typically 4 to 8 ohms. Out-of-range reading triggers P0245. Corroded or loose solenoid electrical connector, intermittent signal loss during engine load cycles. Damaged solenoid wiring harness, pinched. Or water ingress, breaks signal continuity to ECU. How to fix it. Inspect and clean electrical connectors on solenoid and wiring harness. Repair or replace damaged wiring in the boost control circuit. Replace wastegate solenoid valve assembly if defective. Verify proper solenoid installation and torque specifications. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €45.95 doing it yourself or €165.215 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0245? The cost to fix P0245 generally ranges from €80 to €500, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cause. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0245. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.